BluMetric is mission-ready water. We are world-class experts solving our clients' most challenging environmental problems. BluMetric provides a full range of environmental consulting services supported by bespoke engineering solutions for emergency, self-contained, and permanent water systems, and is always mission-ready with a full range of in-house support. There is no successful mission without water. We are proud to partner with Atlantic Canadian Industries. We are mission-ready water.
Dale from Gale Force Winds, and I'm so happy to be here at MASS, the Over the Horizon podcast brought to us by the great people here at Academy. You know, there's one player in the room that knows the importance of bringing a conversation to the floor, and that's BluMetric. BluMetric understands that the conversations matter, nuanced conversations matter if we're going to get to the bottom of things. So on that note, Scott, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself, tell us what you do.
No, thanks, Alan. Well, I'm Scott Healey, and I'm the Senior Business Development Director at BluMetric, and we've come full circle, Alan.
Yeah.
We were here last year with you as a sponsor, and we're very, very pleased to be working with Gale Force and Acada for MASS 2024. And the importance of why we continue to support this conference is its significance with regards to what's going on in the north. Both from a security and safety point of view, but also, a development point of view, a people point of view, and we feel at BluMetric that those are things that this country and the national security industry needs to focus on, and we're very, very pleased to continue that support of this particular conference.
And of course, BluMetric's no stranger to doing work up in the north. They've already been up there doing business.
Oh yeah, BluMetric has got over 45 years of experience working primarily in the mining industry and supporting that. Of course, we have a very large footprint with the Canadian Armed Forces, both on the maritime side and the land side, but where we also see some opportunities where not just for BluMetric, but for all Canadian companies is in the north with regards to supplying the required infrastructure and resources and services that the people of the north need, both those that are permanently there and residing, and those that will be operating up there, on a temporary basis.
Scott, that speaks to true leadership right there, like at a corporate level, that not only do you see the opportunity for you as BluMetric, but you want to bring that opportunity to everybody. And let's talk a little bit about the importance of being collaborative now as industries, as governments, as communities, as academic partners, to ensure that the North is properly sort of sustained and it's allowed to thrive. Talk to me about the importance of collaboration.
Well, I think that no single entity is an island unto itself in most cases. So I think in a Canadian context, we need to find those synergies to work with our colleagues and other, particular disciplines, and even those within our own particular industries. Each company, each group of people have their own very specific niche that they're really good at, and I think that if we collaborated more and spent more time working together, we would have better results, more effective results for the end users in the north. So I think collaboration is key for us, and that's we look for those opportunities wherever we can get them.
You're giving a great contribution already to MASS by being the sponsor, allowing the conversation to come to the forefront. What are you most excited about MASS this year?
I'm looking forward to, again, those interactions with colleagues and new people that are, part of this environment and this ecosystem, and seeing where those people we want to collaborate with, where do they see themselves, and how we can, work, as I said earlier, work together to get those results that we're all collectively looking at. Right from a governmental point of view, right up to the top levels, all the way down, as I say, the end user. And I learned when I was finishing up my career in the military, is it's the end users that matter. Ask the people what they want. Don't tell the people what they want. Ask the people what they want, and then you go out and hopefully be able to provide those resources, those technologies, that equipment to enable them.
I've had the privilege over the last couple of years to watch BluMetric navigate the Atlantic Canadian waters, if you will, with great precision in terms of the industries and the sectors that you're now focusing on in our part of the world. Tell me why BluMetric is so keen on Atlantic Canada at the moment.
It's a very welcoming and accommodating place. It is looking to grow. It wants, again, to build collaboration and partners and bring new entities to Atlantic Canada. And we see that as an opportunity from our perspective, and we want to be part of that growth here in Atlantic Canada. And of course, I have my own personal connections here.
Right.
I was in the Navy for many years out of Halifax. My wife is a Newfoundlander, so there's an attachment to it all.
Right.
And we see that opportunity, and we hope to be able to build those relationships to continue that growth that we're hoping to achieve.
Great to have our sponsor on this show. BluMetric, as always, they understand the importance of bringing the conversation to the floor to a broader audience. They understand that a rising tide floats all boats, and certainly appreciate your support. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Al. That's great. Thank you.
BluMetric is your partner and works with Atlantic Canadian industries and organizations who are concerned about the water health of our planet and the people who inhabit it in an environmentally and culturally sensitive manner. BluMetric joins the growing number of like-minded, innovative Atlantic Canadian companies who are changing the environmental landscape for the globe in a world-class way. World-class experts solving our clients' most challenging environmental problems. We are mission-ready water.